Shirto is a famous Pirin folk dance that is performed throughout southwestern Bulgaria. In the Pirin folklore region, there are many dances influenced by the Shopian, Thracian and Rhodope regions, with even Greek influence observed. The name of Shirto Horo comes precisely from Greek. In translation, it means drag or lead. The chorus is performed with one main movement and 4 additional figures. It is played moderately to the accompaniment of musical instruments typical of the region, zurna and tapan. The Pirin folklore region covers the southwestern part of Bulgaria, with typical representatives being the cities Petric, Sandansky, Goce Delchev. The folklore here is influenced by our southern neighbor Greece, Vardar and Aegean Macedonia. Although the population is predominantly Bulgarian Mohammedan, there is a lack of oriental ornaments apart from the typical musical instrument of the region. Pirin dances are rich and varied, being divided into female and male. The women play many times to the accompaniment of a song in moderate rhythm. People run in circle, semicircle or line. The grip is most often for hands, in bent elbows, and the steps are slow, drawn out and accompanied by many jumps and springs. The costumes are rich in decoration in various ornaments, and the weaving is typical and distinctive. The movements are with high raised legs, accompanied by light steps, rotations, springs and squats. The inclusive elements of the dance are the fact that it is danced in a circle or semicircle, the connection between the participants of the dance, their energy, rhythm and trust. The dance Shirto is often danced at weddings, and it shows the unity, the respect and the equality among the participants in the community. The melody of the dance Shirto is happy and cheerful, and its movements represent the daily life of the people living in Pirin mountain, which is the second highest mountain in Bulgaria. So we start with the right leg on the right side, and the hands we hold like this. With the right hand you hold, and the left hand you give to the other to hold you. And we count 2, 3. We do 1 bigger step and 2 smaller steps. Like 1, 2, 3, and now with the left, 2, 3. Now back, 2, 3. Step, cross. The second figure is with 1 turning instead of the cross. So we do the same movement in the beginning. The hands are again like this. When we turn, we leave the hands, and after that we give the hands to the others to catch. We try to catch the person on the right, and the responsibility of the person on the left is to catch your hand. So it is the same movement in the beginning. Right, 2, 3, left, 2, 3, back, 2, 3, left, right, left, and again we start with the right leg. Let's do it one more time. Right, 2, 3, left, 2, 3, back, 2, 3, left, right, left. And now we will show the moves on the other side. Okay, first figure, let's try 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, back, 2, 3, step, cross. And the second, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, back, 2, 3, left, right, left. Gankino Horo dance. Gankino Horo is a dance from the northern folklore region, which includes northwestern Bulgaria. In the north it extends to the Danube River, In the east, its borders are Dobruja ethnographic region, and to the south with Stara Planina. The northern ethnographic region is the second largest, and its folklore is greatly influenced by our western neighbor Serbia, and to the north by Romania. The people and dances here are characterized by breath, jumpness, and speed, and they are accompanied by a specific call. The movements are concentrated in the legs and are springy. It is common to hold hands and shake freely, which gives a lightness and freedom to the performance. All this in the dance of the Northerner makes its people beautiful, lively, and temperamental. Only in this area the wind instruments found at weddings, celebrations, and meals. The chorus is played vigorously, energetically, and lively. The lead dancer waves a patterned cloth in his right hand to inspire the other dancers and create a mood among those present who admire the dance. Very often he bends the whole dance in different directions, which results in beautiful figures. When the steps of the chorus are played to the original rhythm of the chorus tune, they, together with the beautiful gestures and movements of the body, exclude a special charm. The dancers in Gankino Horo can feel the support of each other, the respect and the equality coming from their togetherness during the dance. The tempo is cheerful and happy, and the fact that the dance is usually in a semicircle allows everyone who wants to enjoy the beautiful Bulgarian folklore to join. For Biała Rosa dance, we hold the hands in the same way, and we can a little bit move them while dancing to show the energy of the dance. And we have two small steps, 1, 2, and then we jump on the right leg. After that we step with the left, we make a step behind with the left, right, and we put the two legs together. After that we go to the left side, again with step, step behind, left, and the right next to the left. So let's try to do it faster. The music is very energetic. Step by step we will make the pace faster. 1, 2, jump, step back, step, step, to the left, step, step.
Now we will show you backwards.
Okay. 1, 2, jump, step